Hello everyone and welcome to Be One with Benjamin, the channel that wants to help you to learn English, practice perfection and perhaps sometimes have a little fun. Do you find yourself confused by colloquialisms used by locals, or perhaps you'd like to use them more in a social situation yourself? Well, today we're going to look at 7 different phrases which talk about something which belongs to you. These phrases are quite common and I think that you will enjoy them. If not, you'll have a little bit of a laugh at the British English expense. The first phrase is to lose your marbles. To lose your marbles. What do you think that means? Well, it's quite simple. It means to go crazy. So I would say, I lost my marbles the other day. And I might say, are you going to lose your marbles? The next phrase is work your socks off. To work your socks off. This is quite a simple phrase and very common. It literally means to work really hard. Are you going to work your socks off to learn English? Or the other day I worked my socks off. The next phrase is swallow your pride. Swallow your pride. This means to decide to do something despite the fact that you may feel embarrassed or ashamed. Now, this might be something like, the other day I swallowed my pride and I asked for help. Or, you need to swallow your pride and get help. The next phrase is to ball up your feelings. To ball up your feelings. Now this literally means to take your feelings and crush them into a little ball and hide them away. Put them in your pocket. So, I was quite angry, but I balled up my feelings and hid them. Okay? The next phrase is float your boat. To float your boat. What do you think that means? Well, again, it's quite simple. It just means something which you really enjoy. Something that floats your boat. The thing that really floats my boat is great Spanish food. What floats your boat? The next phrase is watch your back. To watch your back. Now this is quite a simple one again. This literally means be careful. To be careful. Look out for yourself. So I need to watch my back because I might get in trouble. Or you should watch your back because you're looking at your phone too much. The last phrase today is don't beat yourself up. This means don't be overcritical of yourself and your mistakes. This is a great motto for this channel. We are practicing perfection. So don't beat yourself up over little mistakes that you might make. Okay everyone, I hope you enjoyed those phrases today. If you did, click the like button, leave a comment or subscribe. If you have any other phrases you'd like to know, leave them in the comments and I'll get back to you, or I'll add them to a later list in a later video.